नमस्कार, तुमचं सगळ्यांचं स्वागत आहे गोमंतकमध्ये. मी विनायक सामंत. आमच्यासोबत आहे विपिन शर्मा सर, जे मधील एक ॲक्टर आहेत. त्यांच्यासोबत आपण गप्पा गोष्टी करणार आहोत. सर, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका हमारे गोमंतक चैनल में. आप बहुत बार गोवा आए हैं, हर साल इफ्फी को आते ही रहते हैं. सो अभी इतने साल हो गए, आपने इफ्फी देखा है, इफ्फी ग्रो हो रहा है, आप कैसे देखते हैं इसको?
यार मेरा भी, मैं पहली बार इफ्फी आया था तारे ज़मीन पर जब आई थी, उसका पैनोरामा स्क्रीनिंग में था. तो एंड आई लव गोवा. आई एम इवन थिंकिंग ऑफ काइंड ऑफ have a base here also, because Goa really allows you to give that space, freedom, environment, a lot of good things. So it's my dream to actually set up basically a place where actors can come together and writers can come together, filmmakers have a place where you can have directors lab, actors lab, kind of help cinema little bit in a way. But that's my plan. So I've been a regular IFFI for many years. Just last 3-4 years I couldn't come because of post-pandemic. Plus last year I had a shoot, and every year I actually pray that koi shoot na ho so that I can come here. This year also there are 2 shoots going on, but I somehow managed and decided at the last moment. 3 a.m. last night before I decided that I can go. So I immediately made my plans. So here I am.
सिर्फ एक बंदा काफ़ी आपकी मूवी है. इस फिल्म के बारे में आप क्या बताएंगे?
It's a brilliant film because it talks about something very important that usually you cannot chat easily. I will not talk much about what the film is about, but people should see it. It's on Z5 also, and it's screened here tonight at 8 p.m. A brilliant subject, very brave subject. So I'm very glad to be part of it, and I hope more and more people see it. I am very happy and proud that I get to work with him, because I am his senior in a way, because I was in NSD before, but I consider him my senior because he's been around for way longer than I have been. So it's always a huge pleasure to work with people who are experienced, and we are friends. So and we really trust each other and we really love each other. So that also becomes a part of the chemistry on screen. So yeah, it's a great honor.
सर, पिछले पैंडेमिक में हमने देखा कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म उभर के आया है. OTT प्लेटफॉर्म को ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं आज के यूथ, और हाँ, सिनेमास को भी पसंद करते हैं, लेकिन ये OTT प्लेटफॉर्म को भी बहुत ज़्यादा अभी यूथ फॉलो करते हैं. तो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म का कितना ज़्यादा महत्व सिनेमा पे है या असर हो रहा है, ऐसा आपको लगता है?
बहुत ज़्यादा है और बहुत हेल्पफुल है, बिकॉज OTT आने की वजह से there are many writers who are getting opportunities. There are many new actors who are getting roles. These days, everybody is very busy actually in a way. So it's very good. It's a blessing. Plus, OTT allows you a longer format. So instead of making one film, you can sometimes make 5 films. So it's really brilliant. I just started working on a new web series with Nitya Mehra and Karan Kapadia. They are Made in Heaven and some other brilliant work they have done. Also doing a film with Dharma, with a new director Shazia Iqbal, plus my own film that I am planning to start. So yeah, feature film.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.